Do you know many people are having trouble with scanning multiple pages into one file on their Brother printer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Load pages. Load all the pages you want to scan into the automatic document feeder or replace the first page on the scanner glass. Step 2. Select Scan. On the printer, press Scan, then select to PC followed by to File. Choose your computer if necessary. Step 3. Start scanning. Adjust the scan settings if needed by pressing Options, then press Start to initiate the scanning process. Step 4. Scan continuously. For each additional page, the printer will prompt you. Continue scanning each page until done. Step 5. Save file. Once all pages are scanned, the printer will save them as a single multi-page file on your computer. Following these steps, you should now be able to scan multiple pages into a single file with ease. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Brother users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.